Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I was asked to highlight one of our most exciting vehicles for the fall, and I'm standing here in front of a 2024 Seltos SSX all-wheel drive. You have a potent turbocharged powertrain, a lot of space for the whole family, exceptional fuel economy, and some great looks. These were freshly refreshed for the 2024 model year, so you have some updated LED light signatures, new rim styles, and on the inside you now have a 10.25-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system, as well as a 10.25-inch gauge cluster screen, similar setup to what we now have in the Telluride and the Sportage as well. And it's just a great looking car. It ticks a lot of boxes in terms of space, comfort, as well as fuel economy and maneuverability, not being terribly big of a car. So we've got some really exciting options on the ground as well as on their way in. And if you want to check one out, just shoot us a call or stop by today.